live from Rejuvenated, Iceland.
This birthday trip sucks.
Yo, Pookie, they let you out? Pookie, I knew you were gonna get free, my boy.
Day one on our trip to Iceland. And as you can see, we are packing the day we leave. So we have an afternoon flight, and we decided to book our hotel about 2 hours before we left. Now, I could say that that is out of the ordinary, but for us, we're right on schedule. Now, one of the things that we decided to do this time was book an Airbnb. This is our first time ever booking an Airbnb, so we're looking forward to that experience. This trip is for my 45th birthday. So when my husband asked me, where do you want to go? I went directly to my vision board. I create one every year. And this year for 2023, I had the Northern Lights on my vision board. Two things I knew that I wanted to do before we went. I knew I wanted to see the Northern Lights. I also knew that I wanted to experience a lagoon. All right, we've arrived at the airport. We're here, and we have our luggage. All right, let's go. Day one, on our way to Iceland.
I don't need that, I don't need stuff. I just changed zip codes for the weekend. I don't need that, I don't need stuff. I just changed zip codes.
Look, can I call you back?
I don't need that.
We are arriving in Iceland. We flew into KEF, which is Keflavik International Airport, but we wound up staying in the city of Reykjavik, which is about 45 minutes away. As soon as we get there, my husband sees a wing joint, Iceland's wing joint. So we go there, everyone's tight. We go there, we get some chicken and french fries, and it was okay. I mean, would I go back? Not sure about that, but it did what it needed to do. Okay. Then we hit the road. We decided to rent a car, which made it so easy to get to all of the historic sites. Now, one thing I will recommend is to make sure you get the portable Wi-Fi that comes with the rental car. Now, if you could see this, just to see it in person, it was breathtaking. The mountains, the views, it was incredible. Then we came across another town called Seljalandsfoss. I think that's how you say it. But this is another town that some people decide to stay in. It's almost like an in-between city between Reykjavik and some of the major places that you're going to visit while you're there. I definitely would recommend to take a look at this as well as an option. However, Reykjavik, you could tell it just had more restaurants. There were more things to see and do, more shops. All right, we are on our way to one of the biggest waterfalls here. I think it's called Skogafoss.
Skogafoss.
Okay. We're on our way, and it's about a 2-hour drive from...
I think it's 2.5. We've been driving for about 4.
What's your first thought of Iceland?
Foggy. It's foggy.
What else? There's so many pretty mountains and
Nice
just
scenery.
covered in snow, and it's just beautiful.
The driving ain't bad. People can drive pretty normally. There's a few differences.
What are the differences in driving?
When you do a roundabout in the United States, the outside lane is the one that turns. Here, the inside lane turns. If somebody's outside of you, they have to stop for you to go by. But normally, the outside lane would be the one that's turning. So that's something different. Other than that,
So the biggest thing that I feel like I did not know was that their sun doesn't come up until 10 a.m.
biggest difference. And it goes down at 4.
It goes down at 4. So that means things don't even open around here until around that time. I was saying the kids are asleep.
Knocked out. We got a little SUV, so we couldn't fit all the luggage in the back.
All right, well we're on our way, Yeah, come on. Take.
Hey, you're in Iceland. It's your birthday. Wait, it's your birthday. Are you excited?
I'm excited. All right, so we're trying to get a little bit closer. As you can see, you can walk up and walk behind it. Oh, I can feel the mist. Wow. What in the world? Hold on. Keep going.
Keep going. Into.
Hey, roll your window down.
Don't roll your window down.
What in the world?
What it do, player? All right. Hey, we catch up with you on the rebound, baby. All right. My boy, Pooh. Leroy, is that you? Oh, I didn't know that. Leroy is 89. That's my nigga. That is wild.
That's crazy.
Is he cool getting Leroy? So I hope we had an air tag. I hope they only had an air tag on them because they broke free. They're going to meet him at Shock. Next. I'm telling you, they got out. Oh, that's wild.
Wow. That is beautiful.
Jackson, Leroy. Leroy, Tyrone, Pookie, it was all free, Jack.
Prepare to park your car near Unforgettable's trail. You will need to walk to your destination from there.
Ooh, all right, here we are at the second waterfall. What'd you say, Kurt? What'd you say about my hip? No running.
The hip gonna be tight coming back down. It's good. It's like walking lunches, Jack. Remember I put y'all do the walking lunches in practice?
Did I look good?
You did. Okay, I think we're halfway. Jeremiah, you tired? He told me to go back when we were like 25% of the way there. Okay, look at this. We're almost there. I'm tired. This is why they say travel while you're young. Because I'm gonna tell you, in 20 more years, no sir, I am not. Oh, we made it to the top. There's a waterfall right there.
Like I'm on a mission, always on the go, feeling like I got some tunnel vision.
like Transylvania, Jackson. Remember that movie? Help me, I'm bored. What's going on with you right now? When you get up for this week?
All right, I'm alive.
This is kind of clutch. I ain't gonna hold you.
Dad, Kurt, you unlocking the door?
The translator comes actually, it's in English. What are you talking about?
Okay, this is in English.
Yeah.
What are you gonna put on it? What are you gonna take off of it?
Everything besides cheese. I don't think it doesn't say cheese on it.
Yeah,
What does it say comes on it?
What?
Right there.
Ah, see.
Can I,
Take off everything besides the cheese.
I can have some ketchup too.
I want a normal cheeseburger.
Babe, what you getting?
I'm gonna have something that you can't find anywhere else in the world. It is the Shaheen sandwich.
The what?
Shaheen sandwich.
Oh, the Shaheen?
Yeah, Shaheen. Sometimes they call it chicken sandwich.
Oh.
Where we're here is Shaheen sandwich.
Oh, okay. But you know how you see Karenate and they're always going to these different places and trying different foods?
That's not what we doing now.
We ain't about that light, player.
We're not gonna try nothing different.
I gotta drive back.
Jack, what you gonna try? You gonna try anything different?
Yeah, try the chicken sandwich in Iceland. That's fine.
The chicken sandwich in Iceland. See what Iceland chicken sandwiches
Never
say?
had no chicken sandwich in Iceland.
Try to see what that be like.
I'm gonna get the Vikings.
God is good, God is good. God is good. She's on Amen.
Amen.
I need this.
I've been going hard from the night into the daylight. Telling them all that yesterday's price is not the same price. Eating up wings for breakfast, I can tell you what it tastes like. Wake up and I see red and I still don't got no brake lights. Yeah, feeling super fly. I look in the mirror, see ambition in my eyes. Got more than one formula, they love the way I drive. Yeah, I've been a prize, there's no need to be surprised. Baby, I'm a go-getter, go-getter. Yeah, you better go figure, go figure. Baby, I'm a go-getter, go-getter. Yeah, you better go figure, go figure. Try and get a big stack in my bag. Boy, you know I'm getting to it, it's like that. Try and get a big stack in my bag. Yeah, you know I'm getting to it, it's like that, like that.
Turn the lights on. Turn the lights on.
Hey, never feeling the pressure, please not at all. I walk in when it's crunch time, leaves in the fall. Woman on me, only hit my name on the roll call. It's like there is no ground beneath my feet, I got no flaws. Still humble, but just don't get it confused. You know who I am, there's no need to introduce. I am one of one, they can't stand it, but it's true. Sicker than the average, ain't no